If your internet feels slow, unstable, or randomly drops, even though you're paying for high-speed service, the problem may not be your provider at all. There is one hidden setting on most devices that quietly destroys your internet speed, and millions of people never realize it exists. Until you fix this, no upgrade, reboot, or new router will give you the performance you expect. The setting responsible is background data and automatic network optimization. On phones, laptops, and even smart TVs, your device constantly runs background processes that compete with what you're actively doing. Apps sync, update, upload data, and scan networks in real time, all while you're trying to stream, browse, or game. The result is congestion, latency, and inconsistent speeds that feel impossible to explain. On mobile devices, adaptive connectivity features are a major culprit. These settings automatically switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or between different Wi-Fi bands, based on signal strength. While this sounds smart, it often causes constant micro disconnects. Each switch interrupts data flow, lowers speed, and increases loading time. Turning off automatic switching instantly stabilizes your connection. On Wi-Fi networks, another silent speed killer is device prioritization being disabled. When your router treats every device equally, background downloads from one device can choke the entire network. Enabling bandwidth control or device priority allows your main device to get the speed it needs instead of fighting for it. There's also DNS and network scanning running in the background. Many systems repeatedly scan for better networks even while connected to a strong one. This wastes bandwidth and increases response time. Disabling continuous network scanning locks your device into the fastest available connection. The biggest mistake people make is blaming their internet service without checking their own settings. Internet speed isn't just about how fast data can travel, but how much interference your device allows while it's traveling. So if your connection feels slower than it should, stop testing your speed over and over. Go into your network and background data settings. Turn off automatic switching, limit background activity, and prioritize your main device. Fix this one setting and you'll finally experience the internet speed you're already paying for.